Are there markets open? You certainly could fool me. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update for Tuesday, the 19th of April. And geez, this volume continues to disappear day by day. It's getting worse and worse and worse. And of course, that creates a lot of havoc in trading, in active trading. It has nothing to do with long-term trading. But it certainly makes, the short term. Once again, we day traded today, made 2 trades. Okay. Out of 40 opportunities, there was 2 opportunities to actually trade. Look, again, this is a great market to, again, you got positions on fine, but it's a great market to walk away. Okay. I don't foresee anything dramatic changes. I can see that many will get themselves in trouble trying to force something that it does not exist. In the meantime, the markets have been all over the place. Okay. But right now, the Dow is up 355. We're long. The Russell, the NASDAQ is up 160. It was just down 90. Now it's up 160. Okay. In less than 30 minutes, it rallied 250 points. Okay. We're short. Okay. The S&P is up $45. We are long. And the Russell is up 249 and we are short. So it's kind of a wash, meandering back and forth. Bonds and notes are getting clobbered once again, and interest rates are going higher. I don't quite understand the rally, but it doesn't really matter. The interest rate market is going higher. Mortgages are going higher. Soon, we'll see 6% mortgages. And what's going to happen to housing prices then? In the meantime, again, it is what it is, and we can't change it. We are still short, so that's a good thing. Gold and silver are under heavy pressure today. It's interesting. They both made and reached the upper end of resistance. They're in an uptrend. And certainly a sell-off was not a surprise. Now they have both reached the backside, the support level. So now we're at a critical moment for the metals, okay, of whether they're going to retake off and go back to the upside, which I think they will. I think we're going to consolidate around here for a while. And I think you're basically looking like, for example, gold is 1960 to 2000. Silver is 2550 to 2650, 2750. Okay. I'm not concerned about it. I'm always going to be long the physical metal, but as a trader, we're long, and I expect them to go higher from here. Okay. Crude oil is getting spanked today, down about $5. Hey, listen, it goes straight up. It's going to have some pullbacks. Remember, markets do not go in one direction. They have to have some retracement, and it's always you always call it mean reversion. Okay. And there's always going to be some pullback towards, whatever you're watching, the 200-day, the 20-day, whatever period you're watching, there will be some mean reversion at some point. And again, they can only go parabolic for so long. In the meantime, okay, the dollar is higher and we are long. Bitcoin is higher and we are short. Copper is lower and we are short. Copper getting hammered. Wow. And we're short. Net gas can actually go down in a day. It is lower today. First day in a long time, but over $7, that's a joke. Okay. It's ridiculous for it to be at this price at this time of year, but that is what it is. We can't argue. And we're happy. We've been long since about 350. In the meantime, as we look at the grain markets, and again, they're a little bit lower. We're long them all, and they're a little bit lower today. And not a surprise. You had a big update yesterday. Again, you don't go in one direction. And remember, the higher price goes, the more volatility that comes into play, and the bigger the price swings. Okay, just remember one thing. It's always a percentage move, not the actual dollar move. Remember, percentage moves are what you're really watching. Okay, in the meantime, we're long them all, they're all down. Not dramatically, but they could be by the time I get done here. In the protein complex, feeders are flat to higher. Hogs are lower today, slightly. Again, the entire protein complex, fast feeders and hogs are flat to higher, flat to lower. It's within 50 cents either side on all across the board. Okay. And in the softs, cotton is getting cracked today. Well, listen, you'd think it was going to go straight up. It was at 145. Okay. There's going to be some retracement. Always the case. Don't ever think it's not. Coffee, and we're still long. Coffee's lower. We're still long. Sugar's getting popped today a little bit. We're long. Cocoa's lower. We are short. And OJ, geez, I can't believe it's only down 7.5 cents. OJ is like in the trading places in the stratosphere. Okay. In the meantime, it is what it is. Look, these are thin, dangerous markets if you're trying to be active. Okay. And certainly if you don't have volume in your markets, it makes it much more of a challenge to be a short-term trader. So I'm warning you to be very careful. In the meantime, this is Bubba's Daily Update. Remember our sponsors going across the bottom and across the side: CTG, Capital Trading Group, Trader Brokerage, crypto's coming soon, and Strategic Wealth Preservation, plus our high school program. Adios. Have a great day, everybody. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you tomorrow.